Hello, everyone! Today I'm here to share my incredible experience with the ebook The Ultimate Guide to Airbnb Hosting Excellence. As an entrepreneur who has recently dived into the world of Airbnb, this guide has become my essential travel companion. So, come along as I share how this ebook transformed my experience as a host and helped me reach new levels of success. From the moment I started reading, this ebook captured my attention. The authors, Daniele and Raphael, share their own global hosting experiences, creating an immediate connection with me. Their expertise in architecture, design, and digital marketing truly shines on every page, making the content not only informative but also inspiring. As I delved into the pages, I became increasingly interested in how I could apply the shared strategies and insights to my own properties. The section on preparing my property for success was especially helpful, offering practical tips on how to optimize space and create a welcoming atmosphere for guests. Additionally, learning about reservation management and effective communication gave me the confidence to handle any situation that arose. With each page turned, my desire to become a successful host only grew. The ebook not only addressed my existing concerns but also introduced me to new opportunities to maximize my income and create exceptional experiences for my guests. Reading about strategies to navigate legal and fiscal issues, I realized that I was gaining the necessary tools to tackle any challenge that came my way. Now, it's time to take action. If you're like me, an entrepreneur who is ready to take your Airbnb experience to the next level, don't wait any longer. Get your own copy of the ebook The Ultimate Guide to Airbnb Hosting Excellence now and start your journey towards success as an Airbnb host. Don't let this unique opportunity pass you by. Let's together transform your properties into desired destinations and create unforgettable experiences for your guests. Click the link below and start standing out today. With this ebook by your side, I'm sure you'll also experience a transformation in your journey as an Airbnb host. Don't waste any more time, join me, and let's make this an exceptional hosting experience for all our guests.